So tired. Hey, what's going on? It's about to go down. I'm not going to be vlogging, because I'm a bit, so see you later. Actually, watch this. Oh god, I'm such a fool. Anyway, see you later. It's about to go down. Bye. Wow, guys, it was so good. I fell asleep. I'm gonna give you a proper in-depth review. I just feel so relaxed right now. My hands feel like butter. I can't even hold my phone properly, so I'll give you a proper review soon. Yeah, see ya. It's so good, why all this. Anyway, that's how you know it was good. And then get myself ready, and then yeah. Hey. Oh, that massage. I'm having to record this a day after. I'm happy that I did record it. No, I'm happy that I am recording it a day after, so I can give. Actually, let me look at you. You're hearing it. I'm happy. I'm very cozy. I'm happy that I'm doing it today. I'm reviewing the services today. My son is here. He's gonna make some noise. What's this? So I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I actually fell asleep. Yeah, I think I was probably gone for a second, but it felt like eternity. Let me describe it to you. It was basically like, like when you're about to sleep, but you're not really asleep, but you feel like you're nearly there, and then you feel like you're falling into this abyss, but a blissful abyss, and then you just go. I was gone. So what I got was a back massage, a shoulder massage, a neck massage, and a facial. So just with some oils. Her hands were so soft. So warm. Oh goodness, that touch was amazing. Yeah, I'm not even gonna say anything else, because if I do, my video might be demonetized. You know what I'm saying? So if you're out there and you're feeling a little bit tight on your body, just mentally stressed, guys, just book yourself a massage session or something like that. Go and get those knots unraveled. You know what I'm saying? Go and get them unraveled, because your body will thank you. Trust me. Like, I feel so light. My circumstances in life have not changed. However, The burdens on my shoulders are gone. It was so needed. I bought it for myself because I've never had a massage treatment before. Never. Why did I wait 30 years to do this? I do not know. But it's my aim to do a lot more of it. Maybe once a month or once every 2 months. Just look after myself. But yeah, on to the next. So basically after the treatment, I went to go and watch Frozen. So watch and enjoy the rest of the vlog, I guess. In 3, 2, 1. Your girl is out and about. Don't know why I'm not with my son. I'm going to watch Frozen. Oh, let it go. Oh, let it go. They're watching me. They're looking at me. Yes, I'm going to watch Frozen with the premiere of Frozen. I think that's what it's called. My brain's a bit tired right now. Actually, hold on.
A staff announcement. 2, that is 2, onto your radio, please.
Oh, God. Wait. Yeah, I'm going with a special someone. I will introduce them very soon. Okay. But yeah, I won't be vlogging me getting into the train because you know how that's done. You just walk into the train. Alright. Just wait for the train. My hands are freezing, so with my wrinkly hands, I'm in Piccadilly. So I'm heading there now. I'm so excited. So see you soon. There she is. She's late. gonna film me drinking all the alcohol at the beach. Look who we have.
There are already people singing.
Actually, I sound like all of them. A bit pitchy.